Hello everyone, and welcome to Psychology 337, Risk and Resilience and Development in the CUNY School of Professional Studies, Department of Psychology. In this course overview video, we will discuss our course summary, learning objectives, assignments, exams, and final paper, grading, textbook, articles, videos, and resources, as well as discuss some tips for success in the course. In our course, we will analyze patterns of human development that contribute to psychological difficulties and which contrast with optimal psychological functioning. Research studies will be analyzed with regards to the biological, emotional, cognitive, social, and institutional factors that influence human development and impact or promote progress across the lifespan. Case studies illustrate factors that serve protective or preventive functions, effective coping mechanisms or strategies, and successful interventions and techniques. The course learning objectives will address the following objectives: present the different ways of defining the concepts of risk and resilience, discuss the theoretical frameworks within which risk and resilience can be analyzed, describe research strategies for investigating risk and resilience, identify specific risk and resilience factors that operate at different critical stages of development, describe protective factors at the levels of individuals, families, and communities, discuss variations in resilience across different cultural and gender groups, discuss and list and discuss correlates of resilience, describe intervention strategies for individuals and social programs that enhance resilience. Within our course, there are a number of assignments, and the total points possible are 100 points. Course grading requirements: 25 points for homework and assignments, 15 points. Case study analysis: 15 points participation, 10 points quantity and quality of contributions to discussions and assignments, 5 points for oral presentation for the final video post, 30 points for exams based on accuracy and completeness of the work on 2 exams, and 15 points for your final intervention paper, for a total of 100 points. You can see the rubric presented here. To the left, you'll see our textbook, Youth, Resilience, and Culture by Thieren, Lindberg, and Ungar. This is a required text. There will be additional required reading and course videos posted within your weekly folders. Every week we'll have some reading that's either from an article, from a textbook, or from a required course video. Some additional resource references are included here: APA Style and the OWL at Purdue. And now we'll discuss some tips to succeed in the course. One thing that's really important is to print your syllabus and create a calendar, either electronic or in a daily planner, and remind yourself of upcoming assignments. It's also important to be actively engaged in the course site and to log in daily. It's also important to be proactive and to ask for help if you run into any sort of issues. Furthermore, you should always ask questions and seek help. As you can see, we have a lot to learn, so let's get started. And again, welcome to our class.